Ratchet review, episode 12. It's the Craftsman. I was going to go back and do ones that I've gotten, but I had to talk about this when I opened it. Because, so, there's just this part's rubber, this black part right here. Not a lot of rubber. You can get bits out both directions, which is interesting. The bits are your really, really short ones. So you can push them out that way, or you can actually push them out the front and they come out, which is, I've seen people try to do that on the walkie and them not realizing that that's not how that works. But you can actually do this on this, which leads to this section being kind of uncomfortable because, yeah, there's a lot of just bumpy plastic here and wherever that's just kind of uncomfortable to hold and wherever. The direction change is kind of stiff, and I mean, I just took it out of the package, but it's like just one-handed is like there's not enough texture on it, and it's like kind of gunky and binding up, and like, yeah, like my hand's kind of getting fatigued trying to use it. I wouldn't want to use this like all day. The ratchet is either the gears are kind of ovular, or the teeth are not evenly cut, because there's a point where you're twisting and then it kind of starts slowing down and then it goes over the hump. And you can kind of there it was. Like I'll go slow, and then like it goes over the hump. Like, and I'm sure it might wear down to be more even, but like yeah, see, it shouldn't be like that. Like, that's not great.